Today we're going to cover what's a copyright. I have trademark and a bunch of details about copyright and trademarks and other intellectual property in my other videos. I'm going to talk high level about what a copyright is in this video. So a copyright, in the eyes of the law, is going to be a new work of original authorship fixed in a tangible medium. What's that mean? Let's unpack that a little bit. So, an original work of authorship. So that's something that you didn't copy from somewhere else. It came straight out of your noggin, right? You thought it up. It is original, and you are the author of that creative work. Now, the distinction, though, and why that definition is sort of multi-factored is that when you come up with something new and you think it up and it's awesome, until you actually fix it in a tangible medium, you can't protect it under copyright. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is that if you think about, let's say, J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter, when she thought up Harry and Gryffindor and Hogwarts, that wasn't something she could protect. If she would have just went around telling people about it and given them all the details and someone else wrote it down, they would have had something they could protect under copyright. Skeezy, I know, but this is how intellectual property laws work. So, once she wrote a book, boom, something that she can protect with copyright. And now copyright, you should think about it actually as a bundle of rights, not just this one sort of narrow thing. Because with copyright ownership, what you can then do is give out varying different types of rights to what you have protected under copyright. For instance, you can give out the right to make derivative works. So that's why we now see like The Crimes of Grindelwald and Fantastic Beasts, because at some point, J.K. Rowling authorized the use of derivative rights. And they made something based on, out of the work of Harry Potter. It's a derivative of it, has some through lines and some similar things. So that's the right for derivative works. Also, give out the right to make products, for instance, and that's why you see like kitchen gear for Harry Potter and all the other million different Harry Potter toys and things out there and gifts, which are awesome, don't get me wrong. And that is the right to make products and just various merchandise out of it. There are other things you can license copyright, just like you can license trademark, and copyright can also be changed, and if you don't give the rights for someone to go out and take it and change it, depending on how much they change it, they can actually have permission without your permission. They can have permission by law under something called fair use, depending on how much they change and how much they use of your copyright. That's covered in another video for sure. But copyright, again, some original work of authorship, creative that's fixed in a tangible medium. Scripts, different types of programming and code, that's copyright covered a lot of the time. You know, the website that you have for your business itself, the way that you write the copy on there, all kinds of different things can be covered under copyright. Designs on shirts, different things like that. Because if it's something that you came up with that's original and creative and you fix it in tangible medium, boom, covered by copyright. Now, copyright, you have to file with the U.S. Copyright Office for that and get registration with them, and then it's protected throughout all 50 states. And I'll cover in another video how long copyright protection exists for, but it is a long time. It is your lifetime and then some, and depending on what copyright you're looking at to use, if it was created a long time ago, it might be free game, it might actually not. There's a lot of complicated rules on that I cover in another video. Hope this was helpful to explain what a copyright is. It is not a trademark or a patent. Those are different, covered in other videos too. Tune in again. Hope this was helpful. See you soon.